Hey everyone, welcome to the podcast. I'm Angelia Cowan, and with me as always is the numbers guy, Eric Houston.
Hey folks, and today, we're talking about making money in real estate without any of the usual, crap. No tenants, no toilets, no broken roofs.
Sign me up for that right now. But seriously, how? The only way I know to make money is to buy a place and rent it out, which, as we know, comes with a whole lot of crap.
Right, so, what if instead of being the landlord, you became the bank?
The bank? Like, wear a suit and charge insane overdraft fees?
Haha, no suit required. I'm talking about creative financing. Specifically, seller financing. You sell your property, but instead of the buyer getting a loan from a big bank, they get it from you.
Wait, so they just pay me every month?
Exactly. They pay you directly, plus interest. You're not dealing with tenants, you're collecting payments. And the best part? The property itself is your collateral. If they stop paying, you can foreclose, just like a bank would. You still hold the note.
Whoa, hold on. So let me get this straight. I sell my house, I get a big down payment, and then I get a monthly check, and I don't have to fix the garbage disposal when it breaks on Christmas Eve?
No, that's their problem. They're the homeowner now. You're just the friendly neighborhood bank. Let's say you sell a $200,000 property. The buyer puts 10% down, so you get $20,000 cash right off the bat.
Okay, I'm listening.
You finance the remaining $180,000 at, say, 6% interest. That means you'll receive a payment of about, let's see, around $1,080 every single month. For 30 years.
Stop, $1,000 a month? For doing nothing? That's insane. But what if they just stop paying? I've had tenants do that.
Right, but it's different. With a tenant, you have to go through a lengthy eviction process. With this, you hold the loan. If they default, you initiate foreclosure. You get the property back. It's a much stronger legal position. The incentive for them to pay is huge because they lose their home and all the equity they've built.
Okay, I see that. But what if I don't have a property to sell? I'm just getting started.
Great question. That's the other side of this, buying existing notes. This is my favorite part. You can find people who are already acting as the bank and they want to cash out. So they sell their note at a discount. For example, someone is receiving $1,000 a month on a $100,000 note. You offer them $80,000 cash today for the rights to that income stream. They get a lump sum, and you step into their shoes. The borrower keeps making their $1,000 monthly payments, but now, they're sending them to you.
You're kidding. So you just bought yourself an annuity backed by real estate for 20 cents on the dollar? I need a minute. That's just steady, passive income. No late night calls, no vacancies.
Just predictable payments hitting your account, month after month. It's not as sexy as flipping houses on TV, but it's a whole lot more reliable. You're not in the landlording business. You're in the money lending business.
So let me ask you this, Eric. Honestly, given the choice, would you rather be the landlord, dealing with all the headaches, or would you rather be the bank, just collecting the checks?
Are you serious? The bank. 100 times over. I'll take predictable deposits over unpredictable repairs any day of the week. It's a no-brainer. No toilets, no tenants, just the note.
No toilets, no tenants. I'm getting that on a t-shirt. That is a game changer. I think my entire strategy just got flipped upside down.
It does that to you. It's a whole different world out there beyond traditional landlording. It's about using paper, not just properties, to build wealth.
Alright folks, you heard it here. Maybe it's time to stop thinking about owning houses and start thinking about owning the debt on them. Huge thanks to Eric for breaking it down. That's all the time we have for today on Passive Property Profits.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time.